let's make a left turn down this laneway. We'll head her back to that same space over there. We'll back it in again.
The same one?
Sure.
The parking lot says I can't see the
Yeah.
like right now.
Yeah. You gotta use your imagination. Little puppy. About the size of my dog.
Yeah, mine too.
Actually, he looks just like my dog. Shih Tzu. Just like him. Yeah. It's the same dog.
That's funny.
Okay, here we go.
Take it far enough.
Yeah, this is perfect. You got her.
I feel like I'm cooking.
Just turn it to the right a little bit. Yeah, just to swing your nose, kind of look at the parking lot or the cars beside you too. When you're straight with the cars, then you know you're going to be straight. This is good though. Yeah. It doesn't have to be like perfectly straight.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have to
I
be
just
perfectly.
definitely did not feel straight there.
Yeah. So you notice these things, these little things. And okay, let's make a right turn out of here. And then a right turn. I'm gonna go straight over to the next parking lot here. And we'll turn right down the first laneway. Left at the end of this lane. This time we'll do forward parking. With a space on your right. I saw a space there between two cars.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Between that black and-
Yeah.